What's up, Internet? I am Manish from RebellionWriter.com. Today, let's learn about tablespace in PostgreSQL. So, without wasting your time, let's start. What is a tablespace in PostgreSQL? Tablespace is a logical name given to a location on a disk drive. This location holds data files containing database objects like tables, views, indexes, and others. Advantages of tablespace in PostgreSQL. The biggest advantage of having a table space is that all the database objects remain organized under a named location. That in turn helps in easily backing up the database and recovering it. The second advantage is database performance. You can wisely decide the location of your data files containing frequently used database objects on a faster device and tables containing less frequent data on slower device. Default table spaces. By default, PostgreSQL have two table spaces, which are PG_default. This table space holds user data like template0 and template1 database. PG_global. This table space holds global database data like system catalog.
Right on your screen is the syntax for creating a table space in PostgreSQL. The statement starts with the reserved phrase create table space. You can write it either in capital letters or small letter. Case doesn't matter, but I prefer writing SQL reserved keywords in capital letters. Followed by the reserved phrase create table space, we have to put the table space name. You can name your table space whatever you want, just try to make it logical. Also, the name cannot start with the PG underscore. PG underscore is reserved for PostgreSQL. Next, we have another keyword, owner. Using this keyword, we specify the username who do we want to own this table space. This is optional parameter. If you omit it, then by default, the user who executes the create table space is the owner of the table space. Then comes the keyword location. Using this keyword, we define the location on our disk drive that we want to create as a table space. Using this keyword, we specify a directory path. This is usually an absolute path to an empty directory. Make sure the user must own this directory to perform read and write operations. Now that we know the syntax, let's create a table space. Here I am on my command prompt. Right now I'm connected to my PostgreSQL database using Postgres user. As you can see, let's clear the screen. Now let's create the table space. Make sure to enclose the location path into single quotes. As I have installed my PostgreSQL database within a Docker container, I'm using a directory location that exists within the PostgreSQL container on the Docker file system. However, if you have directly installed your database on your Windows or Mac system, you can specify the directory location that you have created there. On execution, this statement will create a table space with the name ts_users. Let's execute. We got a warning, but our table space is created successfully. Let's first quickly clear the screen. Let's say now you want to see the details of all the table spaces that you have created so far. For that, we have a / command in Postgres, which is \db. This command will show you the brief information of the table space. Let's check. As you can see here, if you want to see the details, then use \db+. This will show you the detailed information of your table space. Let's execute. As you can see here.
That concludes our tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. In next tutorial, we will dive deeper into how to use tablespace and create a database in PostgreSQL. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching. This is Manish from RebellionWriter.com.